Every 40 seconds, someone in the U.S. has a stroke. That's nearly 850,000 lives changed each year, often without warning. Stroke is the #1 cause of long-term disability and the #2 cause of death. But here's what you need to know. Up to 80% of strokes are preventable.
Preventing a stroke starts with understanding your risk. The biggest one? High blood pressure. It's silent, but it's the #1 cause of stroke.
There are others too: diabetes and high cholesterol, smoking, obesity and inactivity, excessive alcohol use, a heart problem called atrial fibrillation, or AFib. When the heart beats in a fast or uneven way, it makes stroke 5 times more likely. A growing factor we're seeing more? Sleep apnea, often linked to obesity. Sleep apnea is when a person stops breathing for short times when they sleep.
You don't have to overhaul your life overnight. Start with small changes that can have a huge impact. Eat for your brain and heart. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains. Cut back on salt to manage blood pressure. Move more. Just 30 minutes a day, even walking or biking, reduces risk.
As a neurologist board certified in integrative medicine, stroke prevention is about more than just medication. It's about how we live, how we manage stress, sleep, connect, and care for ourselves. Quit smoking, drink in moderation, stay consistent with your medication, and most of all, take your brain health seriously.
When stroke strikes, every second counts. Because a stroke is a brain attack caused when blood flow is suddenly blocked to part of the brain.
9 out of 10 strokes are caused by a clot. For every minute a stroke goes untreated, 1.9 million brain cells die. That's why stroke needs the same urgency as a heart attack.
Know how to recognize a stroke using the acronym B.E.F.A.S.T.
Let's break it down. B is for balance. If someone suddenly loses coordination or feels dizzy for no reason, that's a red flag.
E is for eyes. Vision changes like blurriness or loss of vision in one or both eyes can be one of the first signs.
Then there's F for face. Drooping or numbness on one side of the face, especially when they try to smile, is a sign of stroke.
A is for arms. Ask them to raise both arms. If one drifts down or feels weak, that could be a stroke.
S is for speech. Listen for slurred words or if they're having trouble getting their words out.
And the most important letter, T, time. Time is tissue. Call 911 immediately. Don't wait. Getting help fast can save a life and prevent long-term disability.
So if something feels off, even just one of these signs, don't guess. Be fast and act fast.
Stroke is not inevitable, it's preventable.
Start today. Make one change. Protect your brain, protect your future.
Share this message with your family and friends. Together, we can turn stroke awareness into stroke prevention.